Welcome to Dreamland Kids. A is for apple, A. B is for ball, B. C is for cat, C. D is for dog, D. E is for elephant, E. F is for fish, F. G is for goat, G. H is for hat, H. I is for igloo, I. J is for jelly, J. K is for kite, K. L is for lion, L. M is for monkey, M. N is for nest, N. O is for orange, O. P is for penguin, P. Q is for queen, Q. R is for rabbit, R. S is for sun, S. T is for tiger, T. U is for umbrella, U. V is for violin, V. W is for whale, W. X is for xylophone, X. Y is for yak, Y. Z is for zebra, Z.